Hello, welcome back. Welcome back to this beautiful training. And it is not just beautiful, but it is going to be a mind opening session for all of you. Because when I came to know this truth about money, my whole life changed. Yes, most of us, including me, we have come from a background with parents or elderly people who have filled our mind with this belief that money comes with a lot of hard work, or it is not easy to earn money, or businesses quite fail and it is very difficult to become rich. And when we tend to listen to the stories of other people around us, we start believing in it as if it is the reality. It is the reality of the world and we need to fit into it instead of thinking about creating something new, right? So the same thing happened to me. And when I was a child, I grew up with this belief that there is always a lot of hard work and determination and many things that are required to earn a lot of money. Now, I also grew up listening to many stories of rags to riches. And with time, I started believing in it like, oh my God, then it is very difficult to become rich. And I don't have any unique talent through which I can earn money. So, how is it going to make me feel that I am successful? With time, I realized that I don't know about whether I will be able to earn money. So, let me study well. And I started focusing on my studies well because I felt deep down that I was not good enough. And if I grow up and I don't even study well, then how will I live my life and how will my life look like? So it was, it turned out like when I set up my own clinic, I had to struggle a lot. So that belief could not be dissolved because of the degree of dentistry that I was holding. Still, I was feeling that whether I will be able to earn enough money or not, whether I'm good enough or not. And this made me create the same reality which was trying to match up with my beliefs. And when, after spending many years and almost a decade believing in this and living the same kind of life, I just got coached by someone. And when that coach told me that money is money is a spiritual energy, it was it was like something which was unbelievable for me. It was a mind-blowing truth for me, and I was like, I'm a spiritualist, I'm a spiritual person, I'm a spiritual thinker, and I have always inclination towards this spirituality. So maybe spiritual people don't earn enough, or if money is really a spiritual energy, then let this be a good news for me. And from that point, when I started believing in it like money is a spiritual energy, my reality started shifting. Yes, and slowly I became a manifester of money. Money started flowing into my life effortlessly. That doesn't mean that I stopped working, but I stopped struggling. My work was full of joy, passion, and purpose. And suddenly, I started attracting more and more money through different resources, through different opportunities, and through different people. When I got relaxed about the presence of free flow of money into my life, money started flowing in easily. And this experience broke all my beliefs about money. And that's why I'm here to share the same experience with you so that you can attract more and more abundance of money into your life. So let me share my screen so that you get certain openings for yourself. As you can see here, money is a spiritual energy. This one statement has changed my life. And how it worked wonders on my mind, I'm going to share that with you. So initially, I don't know whether you relate with me or not, but I believe that most of the people will, because in our Indian society or most of the parts of the world, people are wired to believe that money is something which we need to save, hold on, and crave for. So money is something which we hold and crave for it, right? And this wealth means physical currency, notes, coins, gold. This is wealth. It is viewed as a physical currency. Money can bring riches and it can bring evil as well. So I have heard these things like, yeah, to have money is good, लेकिन बहुत पैसा भी अच्छा नहीं होता है. Too much money is also not good for you because then it will create evil in your life, or it will make you a bad person, because money is the root of all problems. Family disputes or many problems arise because of money. But the reality is that problems don't arise because of money, because everyone wants money. Problems arise when people can handle, manage, and multiply money, right? When people cannot manage their emotions, when people cannot manage themselves, problems arise. So, money is not the root of all problems. Your mind and your thinking is the root of all problems. Money can bring riches, and money will always bring riches. Money is not something which we can hold on to. Money is something which is a free flowing energy. So, the more exchange of energy is done, the more energy of money starts flowing into your life, because money is a form of positive energy. According to law of attraction, what you give out comes back to you. So, if you give out money for good causes with the pure intention of giving, then money will come back to you. And this is the missing key of abundance, that money is a spiritual energy. Money is energy, not just currency. And everything physical is different energy vibrating at different frequency. If you look around yourself, everything is energy. Um, this block is energy, mobile is energy, this pen is energy, even you and me are energy. And we are made up of atoms and molecules which are vibrating at a particular frequency. So we are all vibrating at different frequency. And coins and paper bills are just dense expressions of that financial energy. We cannot see energy, right? But then these coins and paper bills and these notes, these are just the physical manifestation of that energy, so that people can hold it and exchange it with each other. So money is a spiritual manifestation. Money is a free flow of spiritual energy. And it can be compared with love. So if you love someone, maybe you don't talk to them for many days, but still when we connect with each other, the same feeling is there. So money is just like love can be expressed in countless ways beyond roses and chocolates. Money can also be expressed and exchanged in countless ways. So it is not that if you give roses and chocolates to each other, you love each other. No, there are so many ways to express your love. Similarly, money also helps you direct the flow, and this is not the flow itself. Means it is not like if you don't have notes and coins, you are not wealthy or you don't have wealth. It is the flow itself, but it and also helps direct the flow, but it is not, it is just the manifestation, physical manifestation of that spiritual flow of financial abundance. And this prosperity can be manifested in many forms, like checks, stocks, investments, property, discounts, scholarships, gifts, NFT, or some commissions, or any other source of income that you have, certain passive income sources. So, prosperity flows into your life like love flows into your life through multiple ways. And if you start seeing money as an energetic current that streams through your life, you will witness unlimited abundance. Unlimited abundance is the nature of nature. Unlimited abundance is your nature, because you are also a part of nature. So the universe has unlimited abundance. But why cannot we see it? Because this scarcity is our illusion. Abundance was created for a meaningful growth of all. Because if everyone has a lot, then you can exchange with each other, you can grow together, and there can be meaningful evolution, right? Growth. And this lack, but then the question is, why are there poor people? Why do we feel lack of certain things? Because of lack arises from limited perception. As we already talked about limiting beliefs, these limiting beliefs create that block of scarcity. And this scarcity is actually an illusion in reality. In reality, there is more than enough financial flow to sustain everyone. And these mistaken beliefs of money is not enough, money is always in less amount. This money shortage stem from witnessing those struggling at the physical level. So when you feel that money is always less, and there is always scarcity of money, you will see the same belief getting manifested in your life, and you will find yourself struggling for earning money. And the deeper cause of this scarcity, of this destiny of having scarce life, is vibrational misalignment and not the inadequate supply. Because the supply is abundant, the supply is adequate, but what is not aligned is your vibrational frequency with the frequency of the universe, with the frequency of abundance. The universe will always mirror back to you whatever core beliefs of abundance or shortage you hold. So if you feel that I have more than enough, if you feel that I have so much in my life, then you will certainly get those experiences where you will be forced to believe that you have a lot. But if you believe that I also struggled a lot, my parents struggled a lot, my family struggled a lot for money, it is very difficult, then you will experience and witness the same experiences which will give you another similar experiences of lack and scarcity. If you don't believe in me on what I am saying, you can just reflect on your life and see if it is the reality. So, what happens when you are living an abundant life and suddenly the scarcity comes? Then look at it as an opportunity. Use this phase to rest, reevaluate, and plan, right? Rest, reevaluate, and plan. Just take rest and see what are the gaps in my life. Reevaluate your business or your relationship or your health, where you can take certain actions which may take you to your goal, and plan it and execute that plan. By these steps you will increase your vibrational alignment, you will increase your vibrational frequency, and you will start being in alignment with abundance. And now the question is how to be in vibrational alignment with money, how to be in vibrational alignment with abundance. So, the solution is this: becoming joyfully excited about channeling your unique talents into meaningful service that makes a difference. So, are you joyfully excited to go for work? Are you joyfully excited for your work that brings money home? If you're not, then again, you're in misalignment. You're in vibrational misalignment. And abundance is a gift from the universe arising from the value you provide to the world. So, what are you giving to the world for which they will exchange money with you? So, money is nothing but the outcome of the energy exchange. When you give out value, when you help people to solve their problems, you get rewarded with money. So, money is an outcome of what you give out to the world. And when this work arises from purpose and passion, then this energy of money gets multiplied, and you will start seeing the unlimited flow of abundance coming into your life. And when you take right actions towards your goals, these actions raise your vibration. But it is not only about action, it is not only about hard work, it is more about living your life with purpose and passion. Recently, in my one on one coaching session, I coached my mentee and asked him to bring his team into this alignment of intention. When he practiced this, he created such a free flow of abundance of money into his life that he had this highest earning month of his life in his clinic. And this was an incredible manifestation for him. He might be feeling that this is just a coincidence, but then everything that is happening in your life is not a coincidence. It is an effect of the energy you have put out in the world. You may not get the reward immediately, but universe will make sure that you are rewarded aptly and properly and in proportion to what you have given. So, what value are you going to create in this world? What unique talents do you hold in yourself so that you become a perfect fit for exchanging this energy of abundance? Because abundance is already flowing in an unlimited way into your life. You have to just channelize your energy and raise your vibrations through purpose, passion, inspired action, and right intention. So, are you in this journey? So I invite you on this journey of coaching and this intensive program of Rich Mindset Mastermind, where we are going to work on your limiting beliefs of money, and we are going to create that magical shift in your mindset so that you become a powerful manifester. you become magnet to many opportunities of attracting money and abundance into your life. So see you in the next week. Till then, take care and bye bye. Keep smiling, keep shining.